Okay.
We got the salt generator here, or rather chlorine generator. I hope it makes it through the storm. We'll walk around around the front so that you can see that there's nothing that can be blown away in front of the house. Except for Judy's van and this palm tree. And that tree will go around the side. That's Omar's house. And the only thing we have on the side that could possibly be blown away is the garbage cans and the air conditioning module. Okay. Of course, this is the day before the hurricane, and we'll update you with further videos, and we'll see if there's any change in the appearance of the house.